Behold the Gandikota Grand Canyon.
रिसेप्शन तक की गाड़ी लेके जाते हैं अपन यार, क्या लोड ले जाते हैं।
पहुंच गए भाई। गाड़ी देखो कितना गंदा हो गया है। अच्छा चाबी अंदर ही है। Okay, let's get this and this and we continue towards the reception. So this is the Harita Resort, Andhra Pradesh Tourism Department. यहीं आए हैं काम के लिए। It's a weekday, Wednesday. Doubtfully है, there are not many people, but I think restaurant भी यहीं है। चलो देखते हैं यहाँ पे। To give you guys a sense, these are what the rooms are like. So you have a sitting place, beds, and yeah, it's air conditioned. Basic में है, but it's okay, and it costs about weekdays 1680 I think, and weekends को थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है। So just like any regular government tourism guest houses or hotels, so this is what it's like. You have a like pretty open area outside. If they do it well, I think even this will look good, but abhi to काफी basic level पे ही है. So after a quick check-in and ordering for some food for the evening and ensuring that Ashish Bhai gets his special Andhra style mutton curry, we stepped out to explore the majestic Gandikota Canyon and the fort. So we have just taken a ride before the fort entrance, and it leads to this area overlooking the Grand Canyon. Luckily, it was not very sunny and the weather was very pleasant.
And this is the dinner! Yay!
Okay, so you park over here and then
I think the fort will give a better view from there, here and here, there.
Way to boating. Okay, that's the way to boating.
Those are
okay,
those the छतरीज, ठीक है? तो अपन कहीं भी पार्क कर सकते हैं, कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है।
AC room, swimming pool, restaurant.
Nothing comes on the inventory.
Okay, so this is that place. Yeah, where you have tents looking. Iska bhi, I think there is a website, but I don't know where exactly or what. We have reached Gandikota. It's about 11:49. Checked in at Harita Resort. Peaceful, eh? It's a Wednesday. Hardly any people came to this side, and actually it's pretty mesmerizing. देखो अपना adventurer. It is amazing. There is no doubt about it. Breathtaking. So I think the sunrise will be amazing. गिरेंगे तो मरेंगे. बात तो है. It is definitely kick-ass. चलो. Oh, nice.
We can come here to view it. This you will not get from there.
Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh, यहाँ पे कुछ हो भी रहा है. There's boating and all of that. The water is like green.
Green installed है, खराब है, शिवाली फंगल है. ओह क्या बात है, शानदार स्वागत किया गया है आपका। और यही बाजू में आपको गाड़ी लगा देनी है, बिल्कुल बिना डरे कि घर अंदर लेके जाओगे।
हाँ और क्या।
गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का नोटिस है भैया,
क्या लिखा है?
नहीं गाड़ी नहीं जा रही होगी मैं अंदर। तुम क्या कर रहा हूँ साले, वैसे ही यू टर्न करा के बाहर लेके आएगा।
Fantabulous. This is the heritage tour. Why do people have to fight and spoil the entire
Seriously,
charm, huh? I think there's a
you're
village
right.
inside this.
quite a formation at this top. It's
Oh
not.
yeah. So again, so this is inside the Gandi Kota Fort, and you can get your car and your vehicles inside, which is you feel as if you're entering a castle or something. But yeah, it comes till here. क्या कर रहे हो?
Water supply of this entire fort.
Oh,
It's like a Baudi structure, right? So again, that water conservation of a time of Chalukyas and all.
what is
So
it called?
In Rajasthan, it's called Baudi.
Baudi.
So you can go till down, pick the waters. This would not be
Okay,
there.
okay, okay, got it. Oh, it's called the Juma Mosque. At least that's what it says, right? Yeah. But look at what we do. मतलब यही दिखाना होता है हमें कि हम पढ़े लिखे हैं, we can write and all of that.
Literacy rate.
Literacy rate बहुत अच्छा है हमारा.
Oh, this is granary. मतलब the kind of go down.
Oh yeah.
These are 12th century temples.
12th century, is it?
This is brought. So they must have. This is from here. And it seems new only. Yeah. Look at those.
Now the style of architecture seems like. So I don't know
Similar
what
to
is the
the-
history. So
These are
previously
sandstones.
ruled by Cholas, then captured by the Mughals or something like that, maybe.
Yeah, but this side it was Chalukyas. Yeah, this is beautiful.
Chalukyas, not the Cholas, you said.
Cholas are Tamil Nadu.
It was a temple. I don't think so. It's a temple anymore. Deity तो नहीं होगा, I think.
नहीं deity तो नहीं है. But again, this stone is different. This is stone, sandstone. See this? Beautiful. And this was, I think, a part of a Kishkinda. So there's a lot of. Oh. Could not conserve it here, man. See how sad it is. One single pillar would have been at least 5, 10 years of a carving.
Yeah. This is a
I don't see
cute
dating.
looking- Looks like a lamp though.
I think some pillars, these are the main pillars, would have not been replaced. But inside, definitely, these pillars are replaced. They are new.
It's or was the sanctum. But again, people showing off the literacy.
There was a deity.
There would have been a deity 100%. That's why the temple. But I think lootpaat ke baad, I think हटा दिया होगा. And if the deity is broken, then तुम हटा देते हो ना, उसको पूजा नहीं करते हो फिर. Yeah. So हमें काफी कुछ बताया है आशीष ने कि यहाँ पे कौन सा स्टोन आया, बाहर से कौन सा स्टोन नहीं आया. But I'm sure, when this place was, when they would have built it, and जब पूजा हो रही होती, this would have been pretty grand.
Yes. This has all four corners properly placed. The monk's place, you can see that side, who would have been residing over here. There is some small gathering. All this Gopuram, which is in our side, they are also one single deities like Kal Bhairavas and all, and main deity is inside. Then backside is a kitchen for prasadam. and entire covering with the single gate shows that it was a protected one spatial, kind of a temple which was not open for all.
Okay.
So maybe for
And
a
that
main
is the
person.
reason why it's
Yeah,
like
it
not
is.
very, very big. Like, is it?
Yes, it is smaller. I just guessed to look at it because at that time, if they wanted to build this, entire place is available for them to build.
Correct.
And they built a bigger mandir over there, which was more of a public one. So it seems it is like a private worship place.
Actually, the weather is also pretty good. If it was damn sunny right now, it would have been crazy. भाग रहे थे इधर से, भाई चलो गाड़ी में घुसो AC में. But yeah, it's kind of sorted.
Yeah.
See these carvings and all. Let me actually move that.
See this. This is a typical Hoysala kind of a motif. And started from Chalukyas and came till here. All the Hindu deities, Krishna, Vishnu.
Carving तो है यहाँ पे.
Fred, look at this. ठीक है? This is not any flower motif and all. There was something written in Brahmi. Or at that time, whatever language, I guess it was Brahmi only. Peacock. ये पूरे विष्णु अवतार है. तो मैंने तो नहीं देखी इस तरीके के jagged rock arrangement in this kind of an amount. There are many. Even if you'll go to Satpura side, you will find Black Rocks one near Jabalpur. There is also Narmada ka canyon. There you find a marble ones, right? But this jagged way is superbly stacked. That looks white.
As you can see, the color very green. It's like कोई रंग डाल दिया. हम पर किसने
अबे ये मूड बोर्ड जैसा नहीं लग रहा है जब अपन ब्रांड कलर के मूड बोर्ड्स बनाते हैं ग्रीन एंड रेड इट इज स्टैंडिंग आउट मैन
ओके भाई साहब आ गए अपने पोज करने के लिए
डेफ्थ आनी चाहिए
भाई
डेफ्थ आनी चाहिए
क्या
इसके आगे मेरी फट रही है लेकिन डेफ्थ आनी चाहिए तेरे कैमरे में आना चाहिए अब मुझे मेरे चेहरे से भी कोई मतलब नहीं मतलब सिमेट्री इन नेचुरल फॉर्मेशन इज रेयर टू फाइंड मैन
वो कहाँ बैठे एज में और आगे जाने की हिम्मत तो हो नहीं रही है
मैं तो आगे हूँ
I'll be good here भाई अपना बैठे चिल करे but I think this is good enough ऐसे भी देखते रहते हैं सुनते रहते हैं लोग गिर के मर गए फोटो सेल्फी लेते हुए
हाँ तो एक्चुअली एपरेटस के साथ है ना तो और डेंजरस है एक्चुअली
but otherwise fantastic place it's very serene and like you know it actually feels that like you know you're connected to the past in some form जब मैं किसी दूसरे जन्म में कुछ और था पंछी था सुअर था
मगरमच्छ भी हो सकता है
मगरमच्छ तब शायद इधर ही था होगा क्या पता और कितने जन्म
और कछुआ भी एट दैट मतलब आई थिंक दिस आर द स्पीसीज कमिंग फ्रॉम द टाइम व्हेन इट वुड हैव बीन फ्रॉम
क्या हैव टू क्रॉस वहां उधर
इजी है द फ्लैट है इधर कम
लग गए भाई यहाँ आते आते लुक एट दिस पूरा ये सब क्रॉस करके आने में दी अदर साइड ये सब क्रॉस करके आने में जान निकल गया है बट व्यू इज टोटली वर्थ इट डेफिनेटली वर्थ इट ओह ये देखो फोर्ट रेमिनेंट्स ऑफ द फोर्ट गजब बनाया also here came from this place when you guys come here be a little cautious because है तो पत्थर ही but wear shoes और एक पाँव थोड़ा सा twist especially people with weak ankles be careful एक पाँव घुसेगा it will definitely break
After the trek, we were kind of tired and decided to head back to the hotel. The evening was full of masti and good non-veg, especially the mutton. We were the only ones there, but the staff ensured that we were well taken care of. It started raining after some time, and we also went for a short drive towards the canyon, but it was so pitch dark we couldn't see anything, and ended up returning to our room and calling it a night. The good thing was that we could take the car right till the entrance of the room. It was a day well spent.
अभी तो फिलहाल हम ही हैं. मौसम तो औसम ही है, as you can see. And right now, let's give you a quick view of what the restaurant is like so that you guys can make up your mind. See, basic stuff, but yeah. Yeah, restaurant. Khana theek thak hai. I had ordered dosa today. It was okay. He's very helpful. What's your name, sir?
Pasha, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Pasha. We are checking out. Okay, and see over here you can see the rent. I think Ashish pahunch gaya wahan. It's time to leave, I guess. So we've stopped over here, and this is the highest point of the road. But when Ashish told me, I was like, "To kya?" Because yeah, look at this view. I don't know if you guys can understand the vastness, but it's pretty big. And oh yeah, so basically ये जो fort है वो यहाँ पे.
The windmill roads were absolutely stunning. I can only imagine what it would look like during sunrise. After we drove around a bit in the area, we left the beautiful place and started our journey back to Bangalore. We discussed a lot about how Gandikota has been nominated for the UNESCO World Heritage Tag and that it truly deserves one, provided that the government accomplish the tourist attractiveness levels by way of overall development. By the way, you should know that it's only Jio that works in Gandikota as of now. In fact, the road looked so inviting on our way back, all because of the weather. With wide open blue skies, puffy white clouds, it was the perfect way to kill the depression of departure. We thoroughly enjoyed the drive through the Ghat section. The roads are wide and good. Almost perfect, one would add. If you watch keenly at the natural structures, you will find them to be unique and one of a kind. One of the most scenic drives around Bangalore that I've done recently. Definitely a biker's paradise. We stopped for some pampas grass on the way, which was a good way to dirty the car. But yeah, we needed some. We did not stop for lunch and drove non-stop until we reached Bangalore by around 5:30 in the evening.
Okay guys, so we are back in Bangalore and we've come to Yelahanka New Town. This place called Food Planks, and Food Planks apparently it's BYOB and you get good food. There are cabins, so क्योंकि हमने खाना नहीं खाया, so अभी खाना खाएंगे यहीं पे, and उसके बाद थोड़ा ट्रैफिक कम होगा तो from Hebbal we will go towards home. So okay, so I guess I'm gonna sign off here. Bye guys, take care.